Pardon me. I wonder if you could tell me how to get back on the expressway.
Yo, mama.
Thank you very much.
I figure tomorrow we're going to go to Salt Lake City. It'll be the longest day of the bunch. That'll be probably almost a 700-mile day.
But things have been running okay so far. As much as I ride down there, honestly, the last 2 weeks dealing with this crap, with the forks and the damn, and the fight I had with them frickin' brake pads, and this spot's pretty cool. Big old valley there. We're going to try to keep things clean as best as we can. I tried to kind of drive it down a little bit last night. I didn't have a seal driver, of course. As you can see, that thing they both got chewed up pretty damn good. You know, is what it is. I mean, things happen. You know. Well, good morning, everybody. A lovely Labor Day morning. Run through downtown Hurricane here. As you can see, it's dark. Actually, really dark. Actually, we're trying to figure out where all the stars went. We didn't think there was a ton of light pollution, but apparently it's enough. On our way to Zion, we got up early so that we could get in and out of there before it gets unbearable. But it's still gonna be unbearable when we come back, but an hour of unbearable as opposed to like 6, that's a hell of a good difference. I'll take the 1 hour, even though, yeah, it does require getting up a little early. You can handle it, trust me. Actually, no, you can't. Don't do it. Don't get up early. Don't ever do that. Don't want to give away my secret, although I have no problem getting away because most of y'all can't do it. As you can see, our lovely machine, that's our ABS light. That's our friend for the trip. And before our Harley guy gets on here and flexing all big and bad, know this. I was never that hard on Harley. I've defended him many times, so back off. I think every bike's reliable now. So, and Harley builds beautiful machines. And things do fail. Like my wife just said, it's a 20-year-old bike. It's 103,000 miles. Guess what? Things do fail. Even on the great and grand almighty Goldwing. But at least it's an ABS light. Like I said before, we can get home with that. Not a big deal. We just ride like we used to without ABS. And actually, there's a lot of people now that say that you should be learning to hard brake without your ABS activating because you're actually more effective. So, and if anything, this has got link brakes, so I'll get fairly even application or proper application regardless. So I have that advantage. I feel better with this than ABS without ABS than a lot of other bikes out there. And like I said, you just don't ride like an idiot. And with the trailer on the back, you know, I've been not driving like an idiot anyway because, well, you got extra weight back there. What's that? Yeah, and my wife would be mad. I mean, that's the real reason that I don't crash is because, well, my wife would be mad. No. But, well, I think we're gonna stop recording for now because we're gonna get out of town here. We're gonna be running through the dark, and, well, don't really want to be distracted by a camera while we're looking out for deer. So, anyways, we'll see you when the sun comes out. So, if you probably already figured it out, we're not really, I mean, we brought the motorcycle here to Zion, but obviously we're not riding around here. And that's because if you come here basically from May until December, this scenic drive, this right in front of me, this is the scenic drive, you can't bring a vehicle on. You got to take a shuttle. It's the only option you have. So, but it takes you all the stops you want to. You get plenty of stops. You get plenty of cool views. And you ain't got to worry about, you know, hopping on, gearing up, stopping the next one, hopping on, gearing up. So that's kind of nice. And because of the sheer amount of people. But I will say this. I always say come early. Well, it's 8:45 and, well, it's pretty dead right now. Granted, there's a lot of people wanting up to stop 9, which is the last stop, but I'm telling you, this is the time to come here. Get up early. Come here early. Get in here early. First of all, it's cooler. We're at, I bet, about 75, if that. So it's beautiful out, but get here early. There you go. Make a decision. The other thing with coming here early is parking lot. It is 10:37 in the morning. I'm talking the camera too. It's 10:37 in the morning, and we had a car wait for us while we're gearing up. Yeah. Oh, we took our time. I wasn't gonna rush, especially when on the bike. Now we gotta try to get to the exit. And actually what you'll see a lot in these parking lots is like that Mustang up there. They're basically waiting for someone to pull out. And this Ford's gonna pull some shit. Nope. I guess with a Mustang, I would back in, period. Because they got a turning radius of a pickup. I like how they put the I-15 sign up there like it's 2 minutes away. So just to let you know, we're a good 45 minutes off I-15, so it ain't right by the interstate. One thing about Zion that always strikes me is how it doesn't look real. Yeah. like a really good AI vending, which those don't really exist. This is a place where I think a Insta360 camera really shines, so I can do a lot with it. Get you turned where I want you. So once again, we are not taking the scenic drive. You got to take a bus for that, unless it's like January. But I'm all about that because you saw the disaster in the parking lot. That's why. That's also why we got here at 6:15 this morning. Yep. Yep. I'm telling you, come here early. Okay. I just figured, let you, if you get. Yep. Oh yeah. You can wave and make faces. Actually, my first rally video is picture you waving at the camera behind me when you were doing your little sneak. Hello. Yeah, look at all that. We get to go up that. Yep. So, just to let you know, I have been through here before. This is Cal's first time, so. And it's fun. After even the second time coming in here, you're still like, this isn't real. But it, you know, not the same pop as is the first time you're through here. You get those views. I'm actually jealous of Kel right now because she gets to sit and look at all this. I gotta kind of pay attention to the road. What's that? Yeah. She said let's not hit somebody or get sick. Which, good call. I will keep up with my piloting duties. Sorry, what'd you say? Oh, yeah. Well, next time. Which one? The one that passed by or the other one? You gotta be real specific with your dip Fs, because there's a lot of them. Oh yeah, well, I mean, you can try to ride fast through here, but or you're gonna get frustrated or annoyed, or yeah, there's no sense of it. Because if you run fast and hard, you're just gonna come on someone else going slow. Although the trails are about the same way, my God. I know. I don't understand why you want to sprint through them. Like, enjoy it. I thought it was cooler at some of them stops out front than the end. I thought. I truly believe that all these national parks are absolutely beautiful, but Zion's one of those I think is just at a different level. Yeah, this isn't like your average tunnels. It's not lit up at all. There we go. Watch for the hiker. There. I do need a little bit of speed right now. We're starting to get the engine a little warm. Because Honda's crappy cooling system. It's still, oh, there we go. Okay. It's kind of a whole different world out here. Well, you like what you see so far? Figured you'd say that. I figured you'd say that. No 1-star reviews here. Traffic is terrible, 1 star. As I came in the middle of the summer. Kind of see it in the checkerboard pattern. You really see it behind us. We'll see it coming back. Yeah, there you'll get a good view of it right here. I think that's really cool. Basically, the wind and water do that. Amazing. Back to Springdale, see if we can find something to eat. Figure get a few more minutes of recording. Because this area is so cool right through here. Best part, I think. Yep, I see him. Okay, that ain't an us. That was a squeal. Yeah. I mean, we've developed a little bit of a squeak. Well, that opened up better than I thought it would. Of course, I think you get a lot more visitors here. They're from the West. They're used to roads like this a lot more than normal. Like not so many Wisconsin plates, Minnesota plates, Iowa plates. Yep. Lots of California, Nevada, obviously, Utah. I mean, for the most part, you live in Utah, you're used to this. Yep. Flatlanders struggle on curves.